Hello and welcome to PassFab channel. If you have an Excel file that is password protected, or maybe someone locked an important Excel file and you need to unlock it. Being locked out of an Excel sheet you need to access is incredibly annoying, but there's a solution to get back access into the Excel file. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock a protected Excel file without the password. This is the Excel file I'll be working with, and as you can see, when I try to open the Excel sheet, it requests for the password even before I can view any of its contents. To unlock this Excel file, we'll be using a dedicated software for this job called PassFab for Excel. This program is designed to remove sheet protection or open passwords from Excel files quickly. First, download and install PassFab for Excel on your computer using the links in the video description below. Once you open it, you'll see a simple interface. There's two options. One is to recover Excel files with open restrictions password, and the second is for recovering editing restrictions password. Choose the type of password restriction on your Excel file, and you'll arrive here. Add or import your Excel file into the program. Select a password decryption type from the three options available. Dictionary attack is the most convenient option to begin with if you don't know or remember anything about the password. The second option is brute force with mask attack. The third option is useful if you know nothing about the password, but it's going to take more time to crack the password by looking through every possible combination of characters. If you remember anything about the password, like the character length or combination and so on, you can select the brute force with mask option and customize accordingly. Click on Start, and PassFab for Excel will begin the process of recovering the password. It uses advanced algorithms to quickly try out several character combinations, although it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on the complexity of the password on the Excel file, but it's much faster than you'd think. Once it's finished successfully, it will display a confirmation message and the recovered password. You can then copy this password and use it to open your Excel file. As you can see, you're free to change, copy, and edit everything in the spreadsheet as if it was never protected in the first place. And that's it. If this tutorial saved you a headache, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward solutions just like this one.